How you can change your panels on Twitch using iPhone. So first thing first, let's open the Twitch app, and once you open it, you will be able to see the interface on its screen. So now you can see there is plus icon at the bottom of this home page. So just tap on that plus icon, and once you tap on it, you will be able to see there is create dashboard option in here. So you need to select the option, and once you tap on it, you can see there is stream manager in purple button. So just tap on that button, and once you tap on it, you will be able to see the stream manager section in here. So what you can do is to modify your panel. You can see there is an icon at the bottom right corner of this sections on in the screen. So just tap on that icon, and once you tap on it, you can simply modify or change your panel from here by enabling or disabling. And yeah, basically this is how, and this is the process to change a panel on Twitch using iPhone. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.